accepting Chinese people like students or prospective homebuyers living in America. These criminal organizations are then repaid in Chinese currency back in China, where the money launderers buy Chinese products and have them shipped to Mexico for sale, and then pay the cartels back in pesos. In the end, no money actually crosses international borders, and the Treasury Department says the dirty dollars are, quote, disappearing into thin air. The DEA says the products money launderers are sending from China to Mexico are deadly.
Guess which product is very available in China that's not available here at all? Precursor chemicals. The drugs are synthesized in Mexico, smuggled in the United States. The drugs are sold in the United States. They're creating vast amounts of U.S. cash, and that cash is handed over to the designee of the Chinese money broker.
The Chinese nationals here in the United States that are taking this cash, you're saying they're not necessarily criminals?
No, they're not involved in any criminal act other than taking delivery of a huge amount of cash. What they're trying to do is they're trying to, probably for their family or to create generational wealth, they're trying to get their money out of China here in the United States. What they may not know is that the money brokers, the people running this criminal enterprise, they're using the drug trade to accomplish that.
So this is a massive operation, guys. It spans multiple countries and multiple states. And the crazy thing is that some of these criminals are using legal laws and legal means to skirt the entire process and generate a lot of illegal income while partnering with multiple international organized crime groups. And what this is doing is putting a really bad stain on the home grow community. Because like I said, a lot of lawmakers are actually citing home growers as the reason that the illicit market is thriving. Now, in my humble opinion, a lot of these home growers cannot necessarily be called home growers because you're commercially cultivating at scale, but you're just doing it in a private residence. To me, it's similar to a situation where someone is running a business out of their home. Yes, it may be a home, but you're still running a business. But overall, this is a really bad thing for home gardeners. So let me know what you guys think about all that. Drop it in the comments down below. I want to find out what you guys think about this crazy story. And despite the fact that there are a lot of these illegal home grows popping up all over the US, there's one state in particular that does not play when it comes to home growers. It's an automatic felony. So check that video out because it's coming up right now.
Shouts out to Matt. Like I said, go check out all his channels. Y'all know bro getting it in. Shouts out to Wall Street. Trap.
Whole fun being rich and on the street, bro. It's a lot of shit to do, so I look at it like they got more gangsters in the stock market, they got more gangsters in government than gangsters on the street.
Right.
They just got more information than us.
Just like Chico said,
We just don't got the information.
Get the
So if we learn how to play that game, I use it the same way as I use the streets. And so what happens is once I started making money, I was like, oh, they don't really got, they're not really smarter than me. They just got information. So the goal from you is to just go get some more information. And when you come from the street, you ain't scared to lose no money.
Right.
That shit come with the game.
So when you say earlier, when you like you don't believe in what Google said, how do you get your information on that is false information on that?
So I don't really go to Google for information. I go straight to the source. I go straight to them. So we gotta stop being scared to read too.
Hey guys, 420 scene here. Thank you so much for stopping by and chilling with me. I hope everyone's having themselves a super fire, super fly, stony day. Let me know what you're toking on and where you watched the video from. I always like to know. Should have dropped that fat like, subscribe, and if you want access to all my secret unlisted grow and smoke videos or super fire VIP Discord community, or if you want to get some one-on-one grow help, totally check us out on Patreon. I'm gonna have the link in the upper right hand corner over here. You guys ever been in that situation where you pass the seedling stage and you get super solid growth and then get through that veg stage and you're mainlining? I mean, everything is right in the world. What can possibly go wrong at this point? Then you get into the flowering stage. You're like, what the f? Real quick, I know a lot of you guys have been asking about the Rusty bike story. I'm probably not going to film that until next week. It's just been a really crazy week. And the life stories, believe it or not, they take the most amount of time. So just hang in there. The Rusty bike story is coming, I promise you. And as toxic as that story is, I'm telling you, it's going to be well worth it. I feel like one of the most frustrating things is just trying to get through your run and getting into flowering. And then all of a sudden things aren't going